So page 71 was find the distance between points. Page 57 for our objectives. Page 57, we should have one last line. This is our last objective. So we're going to find the distance between 2 points using the Pythagorean theorem.
What's this for?
That was from the 3D lesson. So find the distance between 2 points.
I'm guessing you just want to split it up into 2 triangles.
Yeah. No, that's not this. That's
Alright, so after we've got that written down, Mason, get your butt out, please. Turn to page 71, and we can talk about our steps. So page 71, once again, we're finding the distance between 2 points. And we're going to have 4 steps in doing so. So finding the distance between 2 points. Step 1. Plot the 2 points given. So plot points given. And draw a line connecting the points. So plot points given, connect points. So we're going to draw a line connecting the 2 points that we are given. Step 2. We are going to draw the rise and the run. I'll show you what that looks like in our examples. So we're going to draw the rise and the run. Step 3. We're going to find A and B. And all we have to do that is count. And our 4th step, solve for the hypotenuse. So those are our 4 steps. Plot the given points. Draw in the rise and the run. Find A and B. And solve for the hypotenuse. Spencer, it's going to be on the board here, Link.
So, I don't have to write it. If I'm already done. Still need that.
I don't. So here are our points. Our points are 4, 3, and 0, 0. So if we were to plot these points, 0, 0 is the origin. So we go ahead and put a dot there. Our other point is 4, 3. So we go ahead and plot 4, 3. We go right 4 and up 3. Thank you.
So you did rise over as well.
So we're plotting our points. So these are two XY points on a graph. So we have our X point and our Y point. Our X point and our Y point.
Trace a good point. Isn't it a rise of a run? Like, isn't that how you graph it?
That's the slope. There. So we've plotted our points. And now we connect them.
Alright, we made a triangle.
We're going to make a triangle.
That's a line.
So then we have our rise. So we draw a line until we are parallel with this point, or our Y values will be the same.
Here we go.
So we draw our rise. And then our run. And there's a triangle. That's all you have to do. Now it looks like a problem we already know.
Oh, I thought that's like literally all you had to
Do you
do.
count the lines or the boxes?
What's the difference between 4 and 0?
4. Oh, yeah.
What's the difference between 3 and 0? So our legs are 3 and 4. So that means 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared.
9, 16, 25, 5. It's 5.
And this is one we should know. It's a perfect right triangle. 3 squared is 9. Plus 4 squared is 16. That equals C squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. And that equals, take the square root of both sides. And this is one we know. That's C equals 5.
Wait, so do you always have to find the difference, like 4 minus like?
So that one we worked with the origin because it was the easiest. Now let's try another example where we're not using the origin as one of the points. So our next problem. Our points are 5, 3. And -2, -3. So we plot those 2 points. So we plot 5, 3. The x value is 5. The y value is 3. So we plot that point. For our second point, -2, 3, we go left 2 and down 3. If you have trouble drawing a straight line, you can use your ID cards. That's a straight edge. So we connect our line. And then we put our rise in. And our run in. So what's the difference between 5 and -2?
3.
5 minus a -2.
It's 3.
3. Oh.
-3. 3.
7.
85, square root of 85.
What way?
Thank you, D'Angelo. Let us all get there, please. So, or we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The difference between our y values, 3 minus a -3 is 6. Or we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No negatives or nothing, just you just add.
No negatives. We can't have negative distance.
You just add the numbers. That's it.
So all you really have to do is count. I know. So we have a side length of 6. That's going to be our A. So we have 6 squared
36. 49.
plus 7 squared equals C squared. 6 squared is plus 4 squared, or 7 squared is.
85 and the square root of 85, whatever that is.
So 36 plus 49 is 85.
9.2.
And C equals 9.2.
All in my head.
Are there any questions? There are 12 problems on Google Classroom.
Could you put someone
There are 12 boxes or 12 coordinate planes given.